Hello viewers, love for dosas are something special. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a very interesting though easy preparing Schizwan dosa. Come, let me take you through the recipe of it. First, let us see how to prepare the batter. For that, I'll take 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of urad dal, 3 spoons of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Wash everything well for 2 to 3 times and soak it for minimum of 8 to 10 hours. Meanwhile, in the other bowl, I'll take half cup of flattened rice and 1/4 cup of sabudana. Wash it thoroughly and soak it along with the rice for 8 to 10 hours. See, the rice and flattened rice are also soaked for 8 to 10 hours. Now, let us grind it to the fine paste. See, the batter is ready and it's very fine paste. Now, let me add half a cup of semolina and 2 cups of sugar. Here I am using brown sugar and salt as per taste. I am using 2 spoons of salt. Now mix everything well. Mix it thoroughly. See, the perfect consistency of the batter is ready now. Now let us ferment it for 8 to 10 hours. Now the batter is ready. A perfect consistency it seems. Now let us heat a pan and add some oil. Spread it all across the tawa. Now add the dosa batter and spread it all over the pan. Now spread some butter all over the dosa. You can add how much ever the butter you want. The taste of dosa is always good. Now add 2 spoons of Schezwan sauce and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Mix it well and spread it all over the dosa. Now sprinkle it with some thinly sliced cabbage and some thinly sliced capsicum and also with some thinly sliced onions. Now I'm adding some grated paneer. Spread all over the dosa. Here I'm adding lots and lots of mozzarella cheese. The taste of cheese is very good. Now here I'm sprinkling coriander leaves. Let the dosa cook until the cheese melt. Just by looking at the dosa, I feel like to munch it right now. Just think of the taste, guys. Wow, yum. Share your experience through the comments. I'll be showing the number of dosas. Taste it. Let me know your experience. Look at the dosa, guys. Wow. Keep watching the video, guys. Thank you.